Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Kismia dating application on your smartphone. So make sure you watch this video all the way until the end, and before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, if you're on iOS, then you will want to open up the App Store. And if you're on Android, then go ahead and open up the Google Play Store and then tap on the search box. Now type in Kismia and start your search. Once you find the Kismia application, go ahead and tap on Install. Wait for a while until the installation is complete, and once the installation is done, you can tap on the Open button. This will now open up the Kismia application. You can either log in using your email address and your password, or you can sign up if you don't have an account yet by tapping on the Sign Up button. You can also sign up quickly by using your Facebook or Google account by tapping on Continue with Facebook or Continue with Google. So that is how you can download and use the Kismia application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell and you will be notified with each new knowledgeable and interesting videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.